Hi, this is Rich from Gray & Sons Jewelers, taking a look at this month's featured watch. Today we're looking at the Patek Philippe Perpetual Calendar Model 5136 in 18-karat yellow gold on an 18-karat yellow gold bracelet. This watch comes from the Grand Complication series of Patek Philippe watches. The dial, aside from having a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, consists of 18-karat yellow gold index hour markers, in addition to its other features. The dial shows the day of the week on a subdial at 9 o'clock, and within that dial is the 24-hour marker as well. The date appears on the subdial at 6 o'clock, which also contains the moon phase. At 3 o'clock, the subdial shows the month and the leap year of the perpetual calendar. The watch comes with a sapphire crystal transparent caseback, featuring underneath the automatic 240-114 automatic movement. The watch also comes with an interchangeable solid caseback. The Patek Philippe 5136 is water resistant up to 25 meters. This watch also comes with its original Patek Philippe winding case. And like all of our watches here at Gray & Sons, this watch comes with our 1-year warranty, our 10-day no questions asked return privilege, and our like new for life policy. If you have any questions on this or any other watch you see, feel free to give me a call at 1-800-918-2608 or email info@grayandsons.com.